We'll guide you through how to use Netlify Blobs for storing and managing your static files with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the site you want to manage. Click on the Site Settings tab, then look for the Blobs section in the sidebar. Click on it to open the Blobs management interface. Here, you can upload your static files like images, videos, or any other media you want to serve from your site. To upload, click on the Upload Files button. A file picker will appear, allowing you to select files from your computer. Choose the files you wish to upload and confirm. Once uploaded, you'll see them listed in the Blobs section. Each file will have a unique URL that you can use in your HTML or other site code to reference the file directly. This makes linking to assets very straightforward. If you need to replace a file, simply click on it in the list, and you'll find the option to upload a new version. Remember, you can also organize your files in folders for better management. Just click on New Folder and name it as you like, then drag and drop your files into it. This helps keep everything tidy and easy to find. If you need to delete a file, click on it and select the Delete option. Be cautious with deleting, as this action is irreversible. Netlify Blobs provides a simple way to manage your site's static assets and ensures they are delivered efficiently to your users. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.